Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. You've seen by the thumbnail, I'm building a Lamborghini Miura fake Lego car. Saw it on AliExpress about a week or 2 weeks ago, and it arrived really quickly. Not a lot of money, it was £11.50 thereabouts. Not seen them on there before, and I saw it, it looked quite good. So I thought I'd pick one up. Anyway, it arrived. Little box, it's 325 pieces. As usual, you get a little QR code. You link onto that, downloads the instructions. Now, the only problem I can see so far is you'll see in the pack, I picked up the red and black one with the gold wheels. The instructions, however, for a yellow car. So I'm going to have to, so yellow and silver. So I'm going to have to keep my wits about me. So I'm going to set everything up, get everything out and lay it out so I can find stuff easier so I can sub it in my head for what I need. Anyway, that's it. We'll do an overhead, do a time lapse quickly, we'll throw in the build, and then we'll do a bit of as usual, do a bit of a catch up afterwards. Very disappointed. I've got loads of parts missing off this, so I'm going to have to go back to the supplier on AliExpress and go through. Obviously, the instructions were different, but I'm following it through. But to give you an example of what is currently missing, I'm only on page 24, I think it is. But yeah, loads missing. I'll just go through the reason why I'm stopping. So I'm on page 27, I think I've had 80. So far, I've got 5 of these missing, 1 of those missing, and these 3 things missing. So it's not worth going on because I've built it to this far. You can see I've got these bits missing, all the under tray of these bits missing. So there's 4 of those missing, sorry. And I've got that piece missing. And so I can't put these in. I've been through this God knows how many times and it's just not there. And yeah. So we might have to pick this build up in a week or two's time when they've responded, and I can get either a new one sent to me or they can send out, I don't know, the packs. I'm not going to go through this and work out what's missing and what's not. So yeah, right, yeah, not a great start. Really looking forward to this, to be honest with you. But right, we'll leave it there. Hopefully when this video continues, I'll have a way forward from the supplier. Right, leave it there. Well, a couple of days later, I've reached out to the supplier on AliExpress, and they've been really, really helpful. They've actually said, let me know what parts you need, and we'll send them to you, which is difficult because until you build it, you don't know what you're missing. But I also explained to them that the instructions were for the yellow car, and I've got the red car. So they sent over updated instructions, which is helpful, but it still isn't right. And I'm going to show you why. I'm just going to show you why now. So the issue was that on the other instructions, these were black, and I thought they were black on my model. Turns out they're meant to be this color, which is the gold, but these instructions are showing them as being silver, and they're still showing them as being double tabs, whereas actually these are single tabs. So again, it's not the easiest thing to work out what's going where. I also think I'm missing a couple of parts that I showed you the other day going in here, but I think I can get around that. But the interior is supposed to be brown on this car, in these instructions, but I can't find one part where I think it's meant to be black. So I'm still not sure. I could have read into it. I don't know. So I'm having to get both sets of instructions just to see what the colour was on the other car to see if that's more right with this pack. It's just a problem. These instructions aren't for this kit. It's the same model, just the wrong color references, I think. I still think I've got some missing. So anyway, I'm going to do a time lapse again. We'll put it up on the overhead, and hopefully at the end of this video, I'll have this built. Hopefully. All right, so there it is built. A Lamborghini Miura kit. For the scale of it, it's pretty detailed actually, to be fair. I'm quite happy with it. What I'm not happy with though, the instructions. These little bits at the back here, they're tricky to fit. You have to squeeze them in to create the wheel enclosure, which is difficult. But the way the front all clicks together and slots down and in, that was quite nice. The issues I've had, obviously, with the interior being the wrong colour, you'll see me swapping out the red tiles for the black ones because I need them for the door. And obviously, I am missing all of those pieces. You'll have seen I had to break out my Lego spares to try and do something. And I just about got away with it. 3 of them you don't actually see, which is good. But 1 of them you do need for the steering wheel, which is a bit of a pain. But it's £12, and I think I might just be unlucky that my kit didn't have it. There's a few spares left over. But yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. £12.50. What do you think? Nice little kit. So it does look the part. It's just the fact that the instructions were wrong the first time, wrong the second time, and I had missing parts. Apart from that, it was bloody perfect. But we muddled through. We got it built. Took about almost about an hour and a half because it is fiddly in places, working out where things go. But yeah, it's all right. Would I recommend it? If you had the kit and the right instructions and everything was in it, yeah, it would have been yeah. I'm just a little bit burnt on this one, I think. But hopefully, man was just a bad kit. I am gonna email the seller back on AliExpress just see if I can get those parts sent over to me to see if they'll fulfill that part of it. I'm pretty sure they will. But yeah, anyway, that's me spending an hour and a half or so over 4 days building a Lamborghini Miura Lego car. Anyway, made it this far and it was useful. Cheers.